7 p.m. You're dead inside. The boss needs that email by morning, and that's exactly when Oliver decides it's prime time for your full attention. You say not now. This little motherfucker goes straight for the kidneys, like he's training for a title fight. So you do that therapy whisper. Gentle hands, sweetheart. We use our words. Bitch, please. He's a dopamine junkie. And you're just providing 4K special effects of a nervous system collapse. Here's the move. Catch those hands, mid-swing, ice cold. Don't blink, don't flinch. You are the bouncer now. Say this, I won't let you hit me. Throw a pillow, walk away. No audience, no show. That's it. He ain't a thug, he's just short-circuiting like a dollar store toy. Fix your hair, finish the email, survive.